Alright, hey, it's time. Time for its noodle recipe time and more bread. I got a new bread machine. I'm really stoked on it. I'm dying to try it. Here it is. Check it out. It's a Zojirushi. I got it for 25 bucks at a thrift store. So it's like a secondhand used one. So was the last one. This one looks really snazzy. A light crust, going with crust control. Time, cycle, timer, start, select course. I don't know. I just want to make bread. My buddy made a loaf of white curry bread. I'm gonna make this Red Chef Pandan white curry bread. I'm gonna throw fish balls in there. I have no idea if that's gonna work, but we'll find out, won't we? I'm gonna throw in frozen fish balls. All right, let's get to it. Ready, set,
go.
All right, I'm back. Where did I go, you ask? My wife's work is within walking distance. We enjoyed lunch together. It was really good. There's bread. Let's see. New bread machine. I guess I need to pour the bread out. Look at that. I should let it cool down and then I'll grab the meat slicer. Ooh yeah, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, I am absolutely stunned and thrilled with how well this came out. First off, the bread is of a reasonable size. Second off, bread with fish balls in it. Look at that. I think it's time to give it a sample. Cheers. Well, the bread keeps falling over, but it is quite good. It's very dark. Look at that crust though. Wow, this machine is definitely an upgrade. Well, the bread is nice. I'm really happy with it. What do you do with this stuff? I'm gonna be honest, I really don't know other than just to enjoy it on its own. It really doesn't need anything. I just don't know what to do. What do I do? Maybe Mimi has an idea. Mimi, what do I do with this? What should I make with it? You don't know? Do you want to try it? Try that. Oh, you always say that when you take a bite. You don't like it?
I do.
But you don't want it. My mom used to do the same thing. I'd make her something to eat and she'd be like, oh, it's so good. And then next time I saw her, like, oh, well, I'm doing this. Do you want some more of that? Oh, no, I really didn't like it. Okay, fine, grilled cheese. Let's do this. Well, here we are. We have a grilled cheese sandwich. I added cheese with an orange color as well as white cheese. I guess I must try it. That, oh boy, look at that. Ooh, a little bit of mozzarella. Ah, that means business. White curry, fish ball, cheese sandwich. Pandan white curry. Wow, yeah, it's good. Well, that's another win for me. I think I'm coming out with this smelling like a proverbial rose. Delightful. Yeah, make some white curry bread, put some kai on there and sell it up at Old Town White Coffee. You know what I'm talking about? I think you do. This is Mel, the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.